Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for new earbuds, today's review might just help you make your decision. We're talking about the Oforui C Pro earbuds, the ones that claim to combine top-notch sound quality, long battery life, and all the bells and whistles you'd expect in 2024. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's talk about the design. These earbuds have a pretty sleek and modern look. The case feels premium, not too bulky, which makes it feel nice in the hand. It's also compact enough to fit in your pocket with ease. Always a plus. As for the earbuds themselves, they have a nice ergonomic design with a comfortable fit. I've been using them for hours at a time, and I didn't experience any discomfort. Always important for those long listening sessions. Let's talk about battery life. The Oforui C Pro offer about 10 hours on a single charge and up to 40 hours with the case. In my tests, I got about 6 to 8 hours battery results with single charge. Charging is easy with USB-C cable. Moving on to connectivity and controls. The Oforui C Pro connect via Bluetooth 5.4 and pairing was fast and easy. I also tested them on my Samsung tab and laptop and they worked well across all. Now, sound quality. This is where it gets interesting. Right out of the box, the audio is impressive. The bass is punchy, but not overpowering. And the mids and highs are pretty clear. Whether you're listening to podcasts or blasting your favorite playlist, these earbuds hold up pretty well. I even tried them with different genres of music. Rock, hip-hop, classical, and everything sounded balanced. The active noise cancellation? Definitely noticeable. When I turned it on, I could feel the world around me just melt away, and it made a huge difference when I was commuting or at a noisy coffee shop. So, are the Oforui C Pro earbuds worth it? At a price of $35, they offer great sound quality, reliable battery life, and decent noise cancellation. I'd recommend them if you're looking for good features in a budget. Thanks for tuning in to today's review. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. See you next time!